this man should do. Take all the time lost, all the days that I cost. Take what I took and give it back to you. All this time we were waiting for each other. All this time I was waiting for you. We got all these words, can't waste them on another. So I'm straight in a straight line, running back to you. For all the times I felt cheated, I complained. You know how I love to complain. For all the wrongs I repeated, though I was to blame, I still cursed the rain. I didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue. Then out of the blue, 'cause God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life with just how I feel, and all that I work is right before my eyes, and all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you.
Hi. Happy wedding anniversary. And sayang at hindi ako nakauwi sa araw ng anniversary natin. Pero ganun pa man, gusto ko na wish sa anniversary natin na sana lalong tumibay ang ating relasyon. Sana maging masaya palagi, good health, at kahit palagi ako malayo, sana palagi lang malakas loob mo. Kayo lang ang nagpapalakas ng loob ko. Kayo ang importante sa buhay ko. Matagal na tayo magkakilala, since high school. Hindi ko inakala na tayo pa rin sa uli. Masaya pa rin ako at ikaw pa rin yung babae na pinakasalan ko, at hindi ako doon nagsisisi. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ng mga anak natin, at thank you sa pag-aalaga sa amin ng mga anak mo. Thank you sa pag-aalala. Sana palagi lang kayong safe dyan. At I love you so much. Mag-iingat kayo palagi. At again, happy 5th anniversary. I love you so much.
You give me hope, the strength, the will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way, and only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe you turn the tide, you make me feel real good inside. You push me up when I
nakakainis. Nakakainis. Kailangan sa pera. Ayun. Hindi ko alam. Na-surprise ako, syempre. Pero, masaya. Pero mas masaya pa rin kung nandito siya. Ayoko ng mga ganito kasi pag may mga ganito,